Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Nest Wi-Fi Pro mesh network easily, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Unbox your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router and place it in a central location near your internet modem for optimal coverage. Step 2. Connect the Nest Wi-Fi Pro to your modem using the included Ethernet cable by plugging it into the WAN port. Step 3. Plug in the power adapter to your Nest Wi-Fi Pro and connect it to an electrical outlet, then wait for the light to turn on. Step 4. Download and open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 5. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon to add a new device and select Setup Device. Step 6. Choose New Device and follow the instructions to scan the QR code located on the bottom of your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router. Step 7. Create a Wi-Fi network name and secure password when prompted, ensuring you choose something memorable but secure. Step 8. For additional coverage, place extra Nest Wi-Fi Pro points in other rooms and add them through the Google Home app. Test your connection speed and enjoy seamless internet throughout your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.